बोल दो भाई, नाम बता दो अपना। क्या हुआ आज तुम्हारे साथ? और भाई
गणपत भाई
कैसा रहा पीएसबी का?
ले ली पहले दिन ही।
एक ही दिन होता है, उसी में ले लिया है। हाँ, भाई एसएसआर के बारे में कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे तुम?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छे थे।
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा साथ। बोल दे भाई, सच बोल दे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो दोस्तों हम लोग आ चुके हैं मरीना बीच पे। वर्ल्ड फेमस बीच है चेन्नई का। तो आप देख सकते हैं शानदार माहौल है। तो जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इस वीडियो में। और इस वीडियो में मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ पीएसबी चेन्नई का। और ये वीडियो होने वाली है इंग्लिश में, तो यहाँ से मैं इंग्लिश में बात करने वाला हूँ। तो द सोल पर्पस ऑफ मेकिंग दीज वीडियो इज टू हेल्प यू गाइज। सो I know that at PSB Chennai, most of the candidates coming from southern states, so they find it difficult to understand Hindi. So I'm going to make this video in English only. So friends, I would like to talk about why this video, because recently I gave the exam CG CAT, that is Coast Guard Common Aptitude Test, and in which fortunately I cleared it, and now I am appearing for PSB. So for Coast Guard Assistant Commandant, it is conducted in 3 stages. That is first CG CAT, then preliminary selection board, that is PSB, for which I am going right now to Chennai, and afterwards that is FSB, final selection board, which is going to be held at Noida CGSB. So I have already made all the videos regarding PSB, how to clear it in the first attempt. You can find the link in the description of this video, and I have also have shared my experience of SSB at CGSB Noida, so you can also watch that video. It will be helpful for you guys. And after that, I would like to also mention that I have mentioned about the documents and dress code for the PSB as well. In those videos you can find it there, and those videos are in Hindi. So first of all, I would like to talk about the documents we have to bring. So for documents, you have to first bring the 2 e-admit cards or colored photocopies, and afterwards you have to bring 1 application form, vaccination certificate if you have 2 dose COVID-19 vaccination certificate. Otherwise you can bring the RT-PCR report under the 72 hours prior to reporting. Afterwards you have to bring photo ID original. Then talking about the documents like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, passing out certificate, along with that all semester mark sheet and degree certificate. And if you are coming under any category and you applied through that, you have to bring the category certificate, and it needs to be issued by the central government. Otherwise you will face difficulty and trouble during the document verification. After that, you need to bring character certificate in original, and it needs to be signed in the last 6 months. Otherwise, it will be not valid. Along with that, if you are working government jobs, so you have to bring NOC, no objection certificate, in original. That's all for the documents. If anything left, I will remind you in the later video. I already talked about documents. Now move towards dress code. So dress code, it is a task of 1 day at PSB. So we need 1 pair of formals and black shoes. It will work fine. So you are ready to go after this. And today right now it's 8 in the morning, and I am going towards my office, and I will meet you in the evening after coming from office, and I will tell you the further plan how to reach PSB Chennai. So friends, we reached my office, so it's time to work. I will talk to you in the evening after my shift overs, and then I will tell you the whole plan of my journey.
A few hours later.
So good evening everyone. My shift is over now, and I have packed everything in the morning which is required for the PSB, so I don't have to waste any more time at the room. So I'm going directly towards the station to board the train for Bangalore, and I will talk about my journey later more. And the most important thing is that the motivation for making these videos for YouTube is you guys. So if you want more videos like this, so kindly like and share. And if you are coming for the first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So let's board the bus from here and reach railway station, and then let's talk about it more on the go. So friends, I have reached Mysore railway station, and my train from Mysore railway station to KSR Bengaluru is in front of me. You can see this one. So let's board the train and reach KSR Bengaluru. Then I will update you about the further plan. Okay. Friends, I have reached KSR Bengaluru railway station, and right now it's around 9:30, so I have to wait around 1 hour 10 minutes. So I am going towards waiting room of this railway station, and first of all I will have dinner, and then I will move forward. So friends, my dinner is done and my train is in front of me. So I just have to board. Tomorrow in the morning around 8 a.m. I have to report at PSB Chennai. So for that, and this train will take around 5 to 6 hours from KSR Bengaluru to MGR Chennai Central, and from there it is around 3.4 kilometers from MGR Central to PSB Center. And that's all. Let's board this train and reach Chennai.
The next day.
So friends, finally I'm in Chennai. This is Chennai MGR Central Railway Station. So right now it's 4 a.m. and I have to take rest for 2.5 hours. Then I will dress up for the PSB and reach PSB Center. So I will meet you after a few hours.
A few hours later.
So friends, I am ready to go for the PSB और सब कुछ हो चुका है. पहुंचना है PSB Center and I forgot to speak in English. So guys, I'm ready and just need to hire a Rapido and I will be there at PSB Center. So I will tell you whole story about the PSB after my PSB. Okay.
A few hours later.
दोस्तों, मरीना बीच पे हम लोग आ गए हैं. क्यों आए हैं? इसकी वजह ये है कि हम तीनों स्क्रीन आउट हो गए हैं.
बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
एक ही दिन का काम था, वो भी हम ढंग से नहीं कर पाए.
से वापस वही जाना.
तो आप देख सकते हैं नीचे. चलो
भाई, अगर तुम भी स्क्रीन आउट हो जाओ यहाँ पे आ जाना, ठीक है?
थोड़ा सा भाई बगल से गया भाई वो थोड़ा. और ये वो बंगाल और अरेबियन सी दोनों में मैं डुबकी मार चुका हूँ.
हाँ,
सारे बकेट लिस्ट मेरे पूरे होते हैं यहाँ पे.
एसएसबी से कुछ ना कुछ तो फायदा हुआ है.
ट्रैवलिंग तो वही जाती है.
ट्रैवलिंग तो जाती है.
तो दोस्तों, आपको आगे की डिटेल्स दूंगा घर पे. सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ आई एम होम. सो लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन आई रिपोर्टेड एट द इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड PSB सेंटर एट चेन्नई. So first of all, I would like to talk about how to reach there. So I request all of you to put the address of the PSB center as Coast Guard Store Depot, Chennai. You will directly reach to this center by putting this address in your Rapido, Ola, Uber, whatever you want. And the best way to reach PSB center Chennai is Rapido. If you are alone or if you have some other candidates along with you, you can hire Rapido auto or Rapido bike or scooty. I was charged around 45 rupees to reach from Chennai Central Railway Station to Coast Guard PSB center. So you can opt for any of the transportation. You can also go by bus. Bus will take you to a bus stand which is nearby PSB center. After that you have to walk for 1 or 2 kilometers. Now let's talk about the documents checked at the gate. The first most important document was e-admit card. 2 copies of e-admit card was required and both of them needs to be in colored. Then 2 application forms, because in e-admit card there is written that 1 application form is required, but they asked us to get 1 more photocopy of that. After that COVID vaccination certificate and original photo ID. These are the documents which are checked at the main gate. Afterwards they allowed us to enter. Now let's talk about the CCBT. The number of candidates reported were 31 and majority of the candidates cleared the CCBT, as we are coming after clearing a written exam. So nowadays Coast Guard is allowing most of the candidates to appear in PPDT. And if I talk about the sections which was there in CCBT, test 1 was involved blood relation questions and number series. Test 2 was involved complete the series. Test 3 spellings, number of words from the given words in test 4, mirror images with rotation test 5, remember the words or alphabets test 6, and alphanumeric series test 7. This is the most scoring test, because in this it contains around 20 questions and you can score as many as marks in this section. And I would suggest you guys to focus on PPDT more, because nowadays they are allowing most of the candidates in CCBT. Now let's talk about the most important part, that is PPDT. The picture which came into my PSB was male characters were there and they were all in the school uniform and they were cycling and they were standing on the bridge. This is the exact image which I found on Google, and I was not expecting exact image on the Google, but I am presenting you that same picture. And my story was regarding excursion or picnic. These friends are going on picnic, and the common story of our group was to clean the river which was polluted by the locals there. So this was PPDT. I narrated my story crisp and clear, but I think there was fish market in the GD and I was not able to handle that group discussion, so I was screened out. And that's all from my side for this PSB stage 1 experience. If you want to have some study material regarding SSB and PSB, FSB, so you can join this channel, Live a Life Less Ordinary. And if you have any queries, you can ask me on ankur97yadav@gmail.com and I will surely reply you. If you want to chat with me, you can follow me on Instagram and I will reply to all of your messages. If you like this video, do like it and share it among your friends who are going to PSB at Chennai. And if you are coming for the first time on this channel, do subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching this video.